Hello everybody! Today I'd like to show you how to start a slip knot. And a slip knot is one of the first things you need to learn if you're just starting out with crochet. Basically, before you start any project that is worked in rows, you will need to attach the yarn to your hook. So to start a slip knot, remove the yarn label from your yarn and find the yarn end, okay? And pull out a little bit like this. So you have something to work with. Lay your yarn in front of you. And for the slip knot, simply, you don't need your hook actually for the slip knot. So just put it aside. Take the end of the yarn and make a loop. Just like that, okay? Now take that loop and fold it over the working yarn, the part that's attached to the yarn ball. Pick up that middle part, hold both the yarn tail and the working yarn with your fingers like this, and pull. Okay, let me demonstrate that again. So to work your slip knot, hold your yarn like this. You've got your end here. Pick it up and make a loop. Okay? Now, pick up the top of the loop and fold it over the working yarn, which is the yarn that's attached to the yarn ball. So now you have like a pretzel. Pick up the center strand and at the same time hold these two strands here. Hold the end of the yarn and the part that's attached to the ball. Hold it down. Now, pull that center strand like that until you have a knot in the middle. Okay? That is your slip knot. And the reason it's called a slip knot is because when you put your hook through and you pull, it slips and it attaches to your hook. So this is how you start a project.